How to check Instagram call history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your call history on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your DM section, if you want to check the call history with a specific version, just open the chat with them, and inside that conversation you will see a log of your past audio and video calls. But unfortunately, if you want to see all your recent calls on Instagram, there isn't a direct option to check it out, so you have to check the call history individually. And that's it. I hope this clear things up for you, and with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.